opposes! Legno! Just take him out!
Le forze sono pari.
Remember me! Walker!
Go, Dad!
Vince scaccia!
Mano aperta, carezza e saluto. Vinci questo mago bruto!
I love you too, Dad.
Hi! Oh, hey! What are you doing here? Good morning, Mom. I gotta go. Arrogant was pretty. Hey! Why are you tonight to come to me?
To have a sister, we'd be best friends and we'd teach each other things and we'd never fight because we'd always have each other's backs and we wouldn't even have to talk because we'd think all the same thoughts and everybody would ask us if we were twins and we'd laugh and we'd be like, well, not technically, but...